Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. This is your girl, Omo Edo, Omo Yoruba, here with you again. Okay, before we start my business, I want to thank you for subscribing. I want to thank you for following. I want to thank you for comment your like. I'm seeing everything. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Okay, today I'm going to making something delicious. What I'm going to be making is chicken wing sandwich. Yes, as you can see, I'm just coming from the kids school, so right now I'm going to be making lunch for the girls. Yes, so this is my chicken wings that I will be using for the sandwich. Let's begin. And I have my onions, I have my glucose curry, then I have my soya spice, yes, and I'll be using my thyme, my curry thyme. Yes, I'll be grating my garlic. And this is my onions. Then I have my curry. Just to your taste. You put your spices to your taste, then I'll be putting my thyme. Then I'll be putting my soya spice. So the soya spice will go last. Then I will be using two Maggi. I'm using two Maggi. It's just a very simple recipe you can make for your kids. Yes. I'll be using 1.5 Maggi. Just 1.5. Then a little salt. Just a little salt. Then this is my oil. And I'll keep the remaining one in the remaining need to use the rest. Then I have my chili pepper. My chili pepper is here. I'll cut this a bit, so that the chili can. I'll use my hand now to fix in the spice the chicken. So next thing I'll be putting my soya spice, just to So this is it. So right now I'll be putting this in the air fryer for like 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, after I've grilled it in the air fryer, I'll bring it out and show you the next thing. Okay, like 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that I'll show you what the outcome look like. Okay, so I'm done grilling the chicken wings. So right now we'll start our sandwich. Yes. Right now I'm going to be shredding the flesh from the bone. So right now I have deboned my chicken, my chicken from the chicken bone. You see. So right now I'll be putting cream in my bread. This is the cream I'm using. Yes. Then you take your chicken like this. You still going here. And you cover it with this one. You see? So this is my bread toaster. Then I'll put a bit of oil here. Use my brush, you know. See now, I'll be transferring it in there and cover. That's it. I'll let it cook for like maybe 5 minutes. Yes. Then I'll do the other one. You see? So let's open and check what's going on. Yeah. Remember to grease your pan. Always grease your pan. I'll be doing a smoothie. So that's me done with the chicken wing sandwich. So right now I'm going to be making a banana smoothie for the girls. I will not be able to eat this because there is cream inside, and if you see my other video, I say I used to have breakout whenever I take salad cream into my system. So this is my banana already in the cup. So I'm going to be adding milk. That's milk. You see? I'll be adding milk. Then ready to blend. So I'll be blending it now. Hope you guys can see that. So that's me done now with the smoothie. So I'm going to be dishing for both of them. So that's me done making dinner for the girls. Chicken wing sandwich. You can try that for your kids. I believe they will love it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you have watched my video up to this moment, please don't forget to follow. Just look up and follow. Press the follow button. Okay, don't forget I have my YouTube channel, Omo Edo, Omo Yoruba. Bye.